Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Dinesh Sharma from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Today I am going to discuss about housekeeping short terms. Basically, these short terms are used in if you are going for the training, like you are going for industrial training, or whether you are going for management training, or whether you are going for VC vocational training. Then if you learn these short terms, you are selected over there very easily. If today I am talking about these 5 short terms, basically if GRA stands for guest room attendant. Guest room attendant is a person who work in housekeeping department, basically in room cleaning, or work under room divisions. He can maintain all the rooms and clean the rooms because the room is ready to sell to the guest. If CO stands for checkout. Checkout means when a guest is departure from a hotel, he can settle his bills and pay his bills at front office counters and then leave from the hotel. We call it checkout. C stands for clean. Clean means a room is a very well maintained and well cleaned and he is ready to sell. If we talk about O stands for occupied. Occupied means when the guest staying in the room, we call it occupied. And if we talk about triple O, out of orders, it means the room is not in working conditions or room is not ready to sell because they have something problem in this room and LED is not working, AC is not working, TV is not working. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.